In this video, I will show you how to fix the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error when launching a game on Steam. First, open Steam, go to your library, and right-click the game that's showing the error. Select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and locate the Easy Anti-Cheat _setup file. If you're using Windows 11, right-click the file, select Show More Options, and click Create Shortcut. If you're using Windows 10, right-click on an empty area inside the folder, click New, then Shortcut, click Browse. Select the Easy Anti-Cheat _setup file, and create the shortcut. Once the shortcut has been created, right-click it, select Properties, and in the Target field, go to the end of the existing text, press the spacebar, and add Install prod-fn. Click Apply and OK, then right-click the shortcut and choose Run as Administrator to reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. If the error still appears, go back to Steam, right-click the game again, select Properties, open the Installed Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification to finish, then launch the game again. This should fix the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.